Hey guys, Tom here from Fitness Consult. It's pretty dark, apologise. I'm doing one of those walking and talking videos that all the cool cats are doing these days, and I wanted to talk around overcoming objections. So I often look in forums in the fitness industry, and one of the questions that often come up are around how to overcome objections. Now in the fitness industry there's really only a handful of different objections, and one of them's financial. How do we overcome I can't afford it? One of the other ones is I want to do things on my own for a while, see how that goes. There's some good answers to people's questions around that, but I wanted to have a look at it from a different point of view. Now, the one thing that happens here is, if you're new to PT and you're listening to somebody like myself who's teaching you things like how to overcome objections, one thing you need to consider is sometimes objections are true. Now, if someone has a financial objection, and most people's answer is going to be, if they're not buying or they are not, you're not showing enough value, is really what people are going to say. That is true. However, you also need to consider that potentially there just isn't enough value. It's not that you're showing it, maybe you just can't offer the value. Now, what I mean by that is, if somebody's got a sore back and they've had chronic back pain for 3 years, it doesn't matter if you offer 2 training sessions a week, a nutrition plan, reprogramming, constant email and text support, whether you brush their hair and give them lunch. Yes, that's more value. However, it's not fixing their problem. So it's not that you haven't overcome the objection, it's the fact that you just can't help their problem unless you can help their problem. So it's not creating more illusion of value, it's actually, do you have the values? That's one thing you got to think of. And the other part of that is, like, sometimes people just won't buy. Like, you're teaching people to overcome objections, but the truth is a lot of people just won't buy. So we need to be aware of that as well. You can't sell to everybody because some people just don't want your service, and that's okay. That's why a big part of it is just being okay with rejection and learning that it's not you, it's just some people just don't want your shit. So think of that when you're looking at, how do I overcome these objections? Are they a real objection first? And secondly, then how do I overcome the objection? So write down what objections you get on a regular basis, see if you can overcome them. But if you keep stats on your sales percentages, you'll know whether they are real or not real, and you just need to improve and get better at the things you're offering, so you are actually of a higher value and higher service.